to the channel correctcode.com. Today we are going to learn how to add a date picker in the Ionic. Okay, so before going to the topic, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and like, comment for our previous videos and hit the bell icon also and so that you won't miss my future tutorials. Okay, so let's get into the topic. So this is ion date time. So today we are going to learn about date picker in Ionic. So this is the documentation. You can go through the documentation for fully, and I will explain how to add the date picker in the Ionic. Okay, so let's get into the code. Inside the home.html, I am going to create a so I am going to add a component ion date time. So ion date time is a component for date picker. Now I am we will use some placeholder to display some text like pick date. Okay, pick date. Now I am going to calculate a age. When user select the date, I am going to calculate the user age. Okay, for that we have to create a action. So for that action I am going to add it. So till today we need to calculate the age, right? So for that we need to pass and max. Today is a variable name. Okay, so today is a variable name. I am going to call a today in the home.page.ts because today is an variable. This dot today is equal to new date dot get date. Save it and let's see the output what we have got. Bingo, we have got, right? See, today's date we have received, and here when I click this pick date, we have got the date picker, and maximum date is today's date. Okay. For example, when user picks a date, and we have to calculate the age. Okay. For that we need to write a function. Okay. So for that we need to write a function. Let's create a function. Okay, when user change this date. Okay, okay, but this function will call, but to pick the value we need to select a ng model. Okay, and here selected date. So again selected date we need to create a variable here. Selected date we need to create a variable. Now it's any today any. Okay, let's create a, now we have created a variable. Now just go to the calculate age function after user pick the date, we have to calculate the age, right? So now go to calculate age. Okay, so let today any equal to new date, and let selected date any equal to new date this dot selected date. It's like this is mostly like a formula kind of thing. Let age equal to, we need to write a function here. Okay, math dot selected date minus today divided by 24 into 60 into 60 into 1000 semicolon. Okay. So now we have the age, right? Math dot und round. Okay, this should be a capital M. Okay, so now we need to display this age, right? Inside the application, let's call this age. So now we will create a age variable in homepage dot ts age equal to default 0, and now this dot age equal to age, where we forgot to close the bracket, and 365 days. This gets closed here. Okay, so we need to open one more here and then save. There is an issue. Okay, so here we forgot to add semicolon. Okay, we got it. So let me add my date of birth and July 23, done. 33A, it's coming. So this is the date picker. We can select a date and we can calculate the age. So like this you can calculate some other function also based on your project. Okay, so it's very simple. First we need to create a ion date time, and we are passing a ng model selected date is a variable, and we have added a placeholder pick date. When pick date is clicked, so we need to pass a function. So we have created a calc age function. Now we need to create a today as a variable and selected date also as a variable, and age is also a variable. Let today any equal to new date, it's by default date function, same like selected date. So any new this dot selected date. Now we have calculated the age. So selected date minus today's, so and then divided by 24 into 60 into 60 into 1000 divided by 365. Okay, this is the common formula for age calculation. that's it. And this dot age is a variable again I have taken. So, I am using this variable and I am displaying the data here. So, this is how we create a variable age and we display the age by selecting the date and year. Okay. That is it. I hope you guys understood the Ionic date picker. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comments. I am going to answer your questions. So, that is it guys for today's class. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss my new tutorials. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.